can put broccoli sprouts in whatever the person with autism is eating, with perhaps a few exceptions. Kids with autism often like to eat the same food every day, and there's generally a bunch of foods that autistic kids simply will not eat. So go with whatever their preferences are and just stick them in there. One of the first foods that adults will generally recommend for other adults is that the sprouts can go on salads or in dips or hummus or blended soups. But autistic kids usually won't eat salads or dips. And if they're eating sandwiches, they may not like the sprouts added whole into the sandwich so they can be seen sticking out everywhere. So my recommendation is to first find the foods that are preferable to the person with autism and add them crushed up to those